Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make a full lace braided wig. So you'll start with a full lace obviously, and this is me just showing you the lace I'll be using, which is from my hairline. So you can follow me on Instagram, details will be in the description box. As for the bleaching process, you would mix 1:2 ratio of powder and developer together and leave it on for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, you would then go ahead and wash it with a purple shampoo just to cancel out any orange that you have. Right, so as you can see, it looks really good, very fleshy, very similar to your scalp. And the next thing that you would do is to place it on your head. That's only if you're making a full lace, obviously, for yourself. So what I'm doing here is just to place it on my head to see where I'll cut out the ear tabs and to make sure that it fits perfectly, which is what you're seeing me doing here. By the way, actually, if you get full lace, what you notice is the inside of the full lace will have some straps that you need to cut out. I forgot to show that bit in the video, apologize. But just go ahead and place it on your head. It's easier this way, and just cut around the ear tabs on both sides. So now we will move on to the plucking process. So I do not over wet my lace when I'm plucking. So I would use a spray bottle, wet it just a tiny bit, not drench it into water, and I'll go and start plucking. So I know some people start plucking behind the hairline. They'll actually part and pluck behind the hairline, but I do mine differently and this works. And you have to be very careful when you're doing this, just to make sure that you don't end up with bald patches. So as I'm plucking, I'm also combing just to check what the results are until I get to my desired results. So you pluck, and you make sure that you do not stay on the same spot. That's the secret. So you pluck. I'm not plucking entirely at the front. If you look carefully at where the tweezers are going, it's actually going behind the hairline, and I do tend to go sometimes at the front just to break up that line, that demarcation of where the hair has been what's the word, where you have like a straight hairline. You just go in lightly with your tweezers and pluck to break the hairline, just to make it look bit more natural. And once you're obviously happy with how the front looks, then you would then part the hair and go in even more. So if you see any blocks of hair together, your job is basically to break that down. So go in, break the hairline, repeat the same process that you've just done at the front. You do the same thing at the back as well. So once you're finished plucking, you just go back and check that to make sure that you're actually happy with the hairline, how it looks. And I will do this on the other side as well. So I pluck the other side off camera because it's quite repetitive, to be fair. And I will now take out my baby hairs just in case I want them on both sides. As you can see, you just need a little bit of baby hair out. I have a widow's peak, by the way, which is why I tend to pluck my frontals this way. If you do want a detailed tutorial on how to pluck with a widow's peak, let me know, and then I'll do another one. Just put it into the comment section. So we are done with the plucking. I'm happy with my results, and I'm going to try it on just to see how it fits and what it looks like, and it looks really good to me. You can see I have a widow's peak, and once I put my lace on, that's what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to start braiding. And I like to braid, when I do this on semi-wet hair. I use expression to braid, and there's quite a few videos, to be fair, on how to do this on YouTube, how to do knotless braids, but I'm just showing you the products that I use. So I use glaze. This allows me to have more control on the hair and to actually grab on any flyaways or, you know, any broken piece of hair that the wig might have. So you part your hair, you apply the glaze product, and you now split your hair into three. The expression, by the way. And you will start braiding with two of the hair you've just split, if that makes sense. So just watch what I'm doing and watch my movements. So we are now at the end of the video, guys. So we've done braiding. I hope you've been able to follow what I've been doing, but like I said, there are plenty of videos on YouTube on how to do that. As with the ends, what I would do is to cut out any excess hair that hasn't been braided and dip the ends into hot water, just so it's not that stiff and gives it a little bit more flexibility in terms of movement. And we have come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, this quick tutorial. In the following clip, I'll show you what it looks like on myself, and make sure you thumbs up this video if you'd like to see more, and follow me on my business Instagram at V's Real Hair. That will be in the comment section. Any questions, feel free to ask and I'll be able to answer in the comment section. Bye.